Shut the front door. Sweet potato pancakes. That's today's veg hack. Yeah, I mean, this probably will be the most tasty plant-based sweet potato pancake you've ever tried. What would be in your veg box over this sort of time of year? You got sweet potatoes, you got pears. They work fantastic together, especially as a brunch dish. Sweet potato pancakes, slightly more sustenance to your average pancake batter. Delicious, great, yum. First things first, peel your sweet potatoes, boil it up, mash it up. Do you know what? My favorite tool for peeling the sweet potato is a peeler. Look at the color of these chaps. You know it's good for you when it looks like that, don't you? I mean, how can that be bad for you? Yum, yum, yum. I am what I am, said the yam. Why are we cutting it up, Stu, before we boil it?
Quicker if you cut it up, and especially if you manage to get it in the same size cubes, it'll all cook consistently and through, you won't end up with lumpy, nasty bits.
Bloody brilliant. That's exactly why. So, watch this. Get it in the pan. This is a great leftover, so if you make sweet potato mash the night before, save some unseasoned for the next day so you can make a pancake batter really quick. Top tip. These are my pears. What I've done is I poached them in ginger, some lemon peel, bit of sugar, poached them for not very long at all until they're nice and soft. They smell really, really good. Now, with the poaching liquor here, I'm just gonna reduce it down to a real sticky syrup so I can pour that over my pancakes. So ginger, cinnamon, lemon peel, and some sugar. Sweet potato's done now. What we want to do is cool it down before we put it with the rest of the batter ingredients. Run it under cold tap, put it in the fridge, cool it down. We'll do it the night before, and then you'll be good to go. Now we make our batter. So we've got our cold sweet potato. We're chucking in there. Again, I chuck in some flour as well. So I'm making these sweet, but you don't actually have to go down the sweet route. They're also really nice savoury. In fact, on our website, we've got a great recipe for some savoury sweet potato pancakes and some great serving suggestions, including a ratatouille, which is delicious with them. Okay, that's about 50-50, isn't it? Use any plant-based milk you want. This almond milk is really good. It's from ReRooted, which is a local company to us down here. They got a really high percentage of almonds in the milk, so it smells, tastes beautiful, and I think it goes really well with sweet potato. That needs to sit for 5 minutes. It's like a moderate to thick consistency. There you go, that's how you pancake. Proof's in the flip, isn't it? So I don't have loads of batter, so I probably shouldn't try and flip it, but. Look at that, perfect. If you trim off the edge. I mean, look at the color of that, that is beautiful. Right, so well, the great thing about it is it's a real fluffy recipe. Look how much air is in the mixture, and that's because we used the to give it lots of. Then repeat the process time and time again. Do your normal pancakes look like that? No. Look at that colour, it's just looks so good. So what I've done is I've rolled them up, they smell amazing. I put the gingery sort of pears on them, pour the syrup on, and get some plant-based creme fraiche or regular creme fraiche, whatever you want. Dollop on top, also goes really well with ice cream. And then a little bit of lemon zest, and it smells great. I'm gonna have to eat it now. Do you mind? Do you mind if I eat some? Yeah. Fuck, I love pancakes. Mm-hmm. They're really, really good. Really, really good. God. It's just, there's a little bit more to them than a regular pancake, and that's the sweet potato. Mmm. They're delicious. I really hope you give them a go. Hit like, hit share, tell your friends, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more weekly veg hacks.